know, we're tankers, big guys. And so this is how we test all the triggers to make sure they all work. This is a plunger. When the breech is open, these hits the extractors, the breech will drop.
On tanks like this, and Leopard or even on M1A2, they'll anticipate the blow up behind this. Because when you fly it, you're going to take the blow up out of the so it's going to explode, dissipate, make a hole for the ball. You just keep it there, it's supposed to fly. The complexity in which the training we do with them can get relatively advanced, and it's just a great opportunity for us to get that training with each other prior to those training events. And obviously it's just a great time to build those relationships.